In the early trading hours, gold and silver both traded bullish, and now gold trading at 1933 and silver again about $24 level. So what to expect throughout this day? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will try to see where to enter, where to exit, and what should be our take profits as well. So do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. So let's start. See, on the hourly charts, you can see highs, drop, and see in the meanwhile it is formed a second high. So on the hourly chart it appears it is trying to form head and shoulders, and from here it can reverse again because certainly it is overbought, but still I will recommend only sell entry is below 1930 levels. Below 1930 till 1925 you should remain cautious on gold, and only bearishness will be seen if it tries to trade below 1920 levels. Only below 1920 you can expect little more bearishness. However, you can sell at 1930 and expect it to drop a little till towards 1926-25. Remember, this zone is important here for gold at 1924 to 26 rather, I will say, and below that till 1920, till this time, till the time it trades above this zone at 1920, it can possibly bounce back again any point of time, and hence you should remain cautious. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bullish. Stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over again for little buys but trading with very little divergence. RSI trading near to the highs there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see rise, retracement, rise. Possibly this time if it breaks past 1925 and specifically 1920, it may call for little more bearishness. So be cautious. You can sell here at 1930, expect 1926-24 zone, first support level. Then 1920 will come into picture, and below that if it drops, it will certainly bring more bears for the week. This is going to be certainly a very strong support zone at 1924-26. Be alert there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on sell side trying to converge here. The RSI is trading near to the highs there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see higher lows, higher highs. It is still trying to trade in this channel. Here is the support at 1926-27 and 1925. See this zone again, as I said, is a very good support zone. Let it break past any of these levels, and then you can consider this as a breakout on the downside. At the same time, see first green candle, if it continues on the upside beyond 1937, you can buy for my favorite 1940. 1940 definitely is a very good resistance, and then beyond that it may try to fly further till towards 1944 and 1950 levels. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic rising again. The MACD is trading with very little divergence here on the greener side. RSI is near to the highs, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, the one important thing on the 4-hour charts is it is trying to give a breakout, and this is the first breakout candle. So where this candle closes, that is going to be of prime importance to us, and possibly till the time it closes about 1930, it can again try to trade slightly bullish, and hence we have to remain alert here till 1925 levels. Those who wants to take a safe sell entry should only enter below 1925, where you can expect 1920, and below that only little more drop can be expected. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 1930, but only after watching it clearly and observing it in detail. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic rising again. The MACD is slightly bullish here and trading at comfortable levels. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily candles, higher lows are seen, which means probably higher highs can also be expected here, which also means that 42, 44 levels can be achieved, and hence you can buy only above 1937 levels, beyond which little more bullishness can be expected. See, it is trying to get the support on the downside, and hence a break below this zone at 1925 only you can consider that it is trying to give or show little bearishness. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic near to the highs. The MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI is also trading overbought, and hence considering this you should buy at 1937 and sell at 1930. But yes, if you want a safer sell entry is only below 1925. So if you are taking a sell entry at 1930, you have to be very cautious and alert, as it can again reverse any point of time on the upside, and hence you should remain cautious and alert. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The tools, techniques, and strategies taught are applicable across markets, commodities, and indices, and in fact crypto as well. So you can join the batch, and definitely that will help you become profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. The 19th batch is starting on first week of February. My Telegram IDs and my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver. See, 24 certainly is a resistance. It has broke past the resistance. It is trading bullish here. And if you look at 24.20, 24.20 is the first resistance. Beyond that, 24.30. See, in fact, 24.10 is a good resistance here. However, it is broke past this. Then the pivot level is at 24.15, and the top of the Bollinger Bands it failed to sustain and it is pulling back. Let's observe more in detail here. If you look at the, see, 24 was a resistance. It has certainly broke past it, and it is looking upwards. So see, another observation, let me say here, that bullishness sideways, and it is again trying to trade bullish. So silver trading about 24.30 and 24.60, more bullishness can be expected. And let's have a look at more into more detail. Directional movement bullish, stochastic was overbought, trying to look downwards. The MACD is in green with little divergence. The RSI is trading near to the highs here. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour charts, rise, consolidation, again a rise. So it is started the second leg, but then you have to wait for it to break past 24.20. Then you can expect 24.40 and 24.60 levels, and beyond that $25 levels is certain. So see, it is coming out of this box, indicating little bullishness to me. But at the same time, look at this, see, little rise, then higher highs and higher lows. So possibly once it comes back below 24, and if it drops below 23.80, then only you should sell. The sell entry is below 23.80. That is very clear. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought here. On the 2-hour charts, the MACD is bullish. The RSI is also trying to look little downwards. And if you look at 3-hour chart, on 3-hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, rise again. So this is second leg, and possibly we can expect it to continue in this bullish channel. If it continues to do so, 24.40 appears to be achievable, but it has to sustain above. You can buy about 24.15 levels, then expect 24.30 and 24.40 levels. Till 24.40, let's be still a little cautious here, because see, it can reverse any point of time, and as you know, 24.60 levels. So these levels are definitely very stronger resistance for silver. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is trading near to the highs. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI trying to look upwards, showing strength in silver. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, yes, it is trying to, it has already broke out beyond 24, which was a very good resistance. It has also come out of but only observation here is 24.15 levels, which is giving it a little resistance, and then 24.20. So, and if you look at the directional movement, this is crossing over for the buys. Stochastic near to the highs, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI trading flat and trying to trade with moderate bullish bias. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, certainly higher lows are seen. Higher highs means there is a possibility for it to at least achieve 24.30, and beyond that little more bullishness can be seen there. So directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic comfortable, trying to look upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trying to look upwards, but this is certain almost that it is trying to create a step. Either this today or maybe tomorrow, it can give you a stronger bullish candle of similar size what we observed here on uh, last week here. So while reversing, the same strength can be seen if it continues to trade today or tomorrow. Wherever it tries to break out, it is going to give you a good breakout. So this is one part, and at the same time, if it reverses from here, that also gives you a sharper red candle, and hence you should just stay and stick to the levels there. So for the day, you should sell at 23.95 and buy at 24.15 levels. For this 20 cents, do not trade, and above 24.15 you can expect 24.30, 24.40 and 24.60 levels, which are a very good resistance. So 24.50 also is a little resistance. 24.50, 24.60 till 24.60, every 10 cents you should try to book a profit and re-enter again if you see it trading in the same direction. Little by little you should increase your wealth. That is how you should trade, rather than waiting for a good single move. Keep booking profits, keep re-entering. On the downside, similarly, sell at 23.95, expect 23.80 as a very good support, and below that you can expect it to drop consistently or strongly till towards 23.60, 23.40 levels. Take your trades accordingly. It is looking to give a little bullish move, so trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.